Now you're just about finished learning how to administer vaccine to your pets who have allergies. A couple of things, whether you're giving it orally or whether you're giving it by injection, about 75 to 80% of pets will respond to it. You won't really see anything for the first 4 to 6 months, and when you do start to see an improvement, it can be a small improvement. However, by a year, we would expect to see if your animal is going to respond either a good, a very good, or an excellent response. If your dog hasn't responded to that level by then, generally the vaccine is discontinued. However, if your animal has responded, usually the vaccination is continued for the rest of the animal's life. And oftentimes you will see continuing improvement over several years. Now, a couple of words about the injection. One thing that will make your animal more comfortable is after you draw it up, put it on the counter and let it sit and warm up to room temperature for about 15 minutes before you administer. It's not dangerous to give it right out of the refrigerator, but it's more comfortable for the animal to give it if you have let it warm up. Once you've given it, now after you've given it, you will have the needle exposed. Do not recap it because you might poke yourself. And what you can do is you can either purchase a biohazard container in which you can place your used syringes, or you can simply use a rigid plastic, empty plastic container and just put it in there. And once you have filled it, whether you've used your own homemade container or you have used your biohazard, you tightly cap it, and you can place it in the trash if you live in Maryland. This can just be tossed away. If you have any questions, you can certainly ask them when the assistant comes to go over this information with you.